Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of Commerce, class 11. The name of the chapter which is going to be discussed today is Classification of Human Activities, Economic and Non-Economic. Here, first of all, we will understand the meaning of human activities. Actually, human life is built around work. Every human being is busy in some activity or the other throughout the day, you can say throughout the life. So, human activities means human activities mean the activities which human being undertake to satisfy the want, to satisfy their want. So, human activity means the activity which human beings undertake to satisfy their want. We can make the classification of human activity in two parts. That is, first we are having economic activities, and secondly we can say non-economic activities. Now, as we said, there are two activities, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. We must understand the meaning of these two types of human activity. So, economic activities are undertaken with the object to earn money. These activities are undertaken to earn money, and non-economic activities are inspired by, we can say, this kind of activities inspired by emotions, sentiments, emotions of human beings. Okay, so what we learned today, what the meaning of human activities and the classification of human activities, that is economic activity and non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the object of earning money, and the second one, which we have non-economic activities, are those activities which are inspired by sentiments or emotions such as love, affection, desire to help of human beings. In the coming videos, we will learn more. Thank you. Do like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, write down in the comment box. Thank you.